So over here, I am in the home page of Google Keep, and then what you may want to do at times is you may want to refresh up the page so that you can see contents inside of Google Keep. So let's say you some other people that you shared the contents with made some changes, but it is not reflected here. In that case, in order to refresh it, you can go around onto the top and see the refresh button. So once you click on this, what happens is that everything gets refreshed, and if there's any unupdated information, it will update right here. You don't see any changes at the moment. That is because there is no update to take place. So apart from that, you can see that all of the notes that you have right here is in a certain view. And if you want to go around and change out the view options, then you can go around onto the top and you can see that you can switch to list view. So if you were to click on the list view option right here, then this is what you have. As you can see, all of the notes there appear in a list format. If you want to get back the thumbnail format, then you can simply go around onto the top and then access the grid view once more. So that is how you can go around and then refresh out your Google Keep notes to see if there's any updates, and then access out the different view options. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.